Hey, today we're going to cover a little red dot scope. Now this is made by Bushnell. It's a TRS-25. What we're going to do is I'm going to compare this with two other scopes, and then we're going to mount this on a rifle, take it out to the range, put some rounds through the rifle with this scope on it and see how it does. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare a couple. Now if you take a look at this BSA, now this scope here is about $40 at Walmart. The Bushnell is about $100. They both use the exact same battery. Battery life on this BSA is under 1 hour. This thing just really goes through the batteries. Battery life on this Bushnell is over 3,000 hours. Really like the battery life on this red dot. I've had this over a year. I've used it quite a bit, and I've never changed the battery on it. Now, if you compare it to an Aimpoint, now this is a 9000 SC. Now this scope here is about $400. Now this is going to have a more defined round red dot on it. In fact, the battery life on this is rated at 50,000 hours. But if you can afford an Aimpoint, definitely go that route over the Bushnell. But is this a good scope? Well, I'll tell you what. What we're going to do is we're going to mount it on this rifle. This is a SIG 522. It shoots .22 caliber. So we're going to go out to range using this scope, using this rifle, and then after we get done shooting, I will give you my honest opinion on this scope. So let's get out to the range and get started. Hey guys, excellent little scope. I suggest you get one. I suggest you get one of these rifles too, because this is a great rifle. Check out my other video on YouTube on it, and get you one of each, put them together, because it makes a very good combo. We'll see you guys next time.